Would you see the light come on Marta, Mike?
What's the quickest way to killing a scully, boss?
Are you coming with us? Come on for the spin, bud.
Hop in.
He's not going in between me and you, Pete.
We have 2 fast points and no one know any different.
Look at all the fucking women he has, the cunt. Why would he come with us?
Stay where you are.
Yeah, come on in.
I'm not racist, I swear.
Josh, Josh.
Eddie, don't move.
What happens if I move?
Don't move, okay?
What happens if I move?
Don't move! And don't speak to it.
Hola, cabrón, ¿cómo estás? Oh,